Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. And our today's topic is pronoun. Today we will do some exercises of the pronouns. And in our previous class, we have discussed about the pronouns and its classification. Today we will do the exercises. And can you tell me, can you remember how many pronouns are there? There are 9 types of pronouns. Number 1 is personal, then possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and relative pronoun, then indefinite, distributive, reflexive, and reciprocal pronouns. So now look at the exercise. Identify the underlined pronouns. That means we will identify the underlined pronouns. Now look, there are 10 sentences and there are some underlined words. So we will identify those words, that means what type of pronouns they are. We will identify it. Now look, number 1, that is your ball. The word that is underlined. So what type of pronoun it is? Do you know? Now look at the word that. It point out the ball. That is your ball, right? It point out your ball. So it refers to that ball. That means it point out that ball. So it will be demonstrative pronoun. We all know that if any pronoun is used to point out people or thing, it will be demonstrative pronoun. So we will write here demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Okay, dear students. Now look, number 2. What do you want? The word what is underlined. And if you use the word, use the pronouns what to ask the question, it will be relative or interrogative. Yes, you are right, it will be interrogative pronoun. So here we will write interrogative pronoun. Interrogative. Okay. So we will write here interrogative. Interrogative. Now number 3. I have bought some books. The word I is underlined. Number 3, the word I is underlined. And now look here, the pronoun I refers to a person, and we all know that if the pronoun refers to a person, it will be personal pronoun. So we will write here personal pronoun. It will be personal. Now number 4. Some are born great. Some are born great. So what will you write here? What will be the correct answer? Now look. Some are born great. Who are born great? Do you know? We don't know. But some here indicates the person. That means the people, we don't know about them. That's why it is not definite. So it will be indefinite pronouns. And we know that if the pronoun refers to person or things in a general manner, and if it doesn't point out any particular person or thing, it will be indefinite pronoun. So we will write here indefinite. Now number 5. She hurt herself. Now the word herself is underlined. So what type of pronoun is it? It will be reflexive pronoun. And when do we use reflexive pronouns? To put emphasis on the subject, right? That means reflexive pronouns are the pronouns in which the action is done by the subject it reflects upon it. And now look, she hurt herself. Herself refers to that she, so it will be reflexive pronoun. So we will write here reflexive. Now number 6, they are good boys. Now look, they refers to those boys, so they refers to the person, so it will be personal pronoun. So it will be personal. Now number 7, I saw the boy who was playing. Now look, in number 7, the word who is underlined, and we all know that we use who, what or which to ask question. When you use those words to ask question, it will be interrogative pronoun. But now in number 7, the word who is in the middle of the sentence, and now look, the word he indicates the boy. I saw the boy who, that means who refers to the boy, who refers to that boy who was playing. There are two sentences, I saw the boy was playing, and the word who joined those two sentences, that means it relates to sentences. That's why it is called relative pronoun. So relative pronoun refers to some nouns or pronouns mentioned before it. Now look, relative pronoun will refer to the person or the thing it mentioned before it. I saw the boy who was playing. Now who refers to that boy, so it will be relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Now number 8, they talk to each other. Now look at this word each other. There is a reciprocal expression, so it will be reciprocal pronoun. They talk to each other, that means they both are talking to each other. Now look, it will be reciprocal pronoun, and we know that if we if there are two persons, we will use each other, and if there are more than two persons, we will use one another. So it will be reciprocal pronoun. Now number 9, neither of the two boys is honest. Now look, neither of the two boys is honest. Here neither will be what type of pronoun? Neither will be distributive pronoun, because it separates each of the boy. Neither of the two boys, that means neither of the two boys is honest. Now look, it separates the two boys especially, and remember, neither, either, every, it will be singular in subject, but it will be singular subject, and it will always take singular verb. Now look, neither of the two boys is honest, the verb is singular here. So we use distributive pronouns to separate one person or thing from a group of person. Neither separate these two boys. There is a group of two boys, but neither separate these two boys from this group of boys. Okay, so it will be distributive pronouns. Now number 10, one should do one's duty. One should do one's duty. Now look, the word one is underlined here, and just like number 4, we don't know who is that one person, so it is not definite. That's why it will be indefinite pronoun. One should do one's duty, that means we generalize here, that means the subject is generalized here, the person is generalizing, we use it in a general manner, so it will be indefinite pronoun. So it will be indefinite pronoun. And now look, my dear students, there are 10 exercises. You will do it as your homework. It will be your homework number 4. It will be homework number 4. And what will we do? We will do exercise of pronoun as our homework. So dear students, you don't need to copy the sentences. You will just pick up the underlined word and then you will write the correct answer. So dear students, number 1 is that is your ball. The word that is underlined, the answer is demonstrative. Okay, the answer will be demonstrative. There will be an S. And now number 2, what do you want? Number 2 will be interrogative. The word what is underlined here. Number 3, I have bought some books. I is underlined here. It will be personal pronoun. Number 4, some are born great. The word some is underlined and the answer is indefinite. Number 5, she hurt herself. The word herself is underlined and the answer is reflexive. Number 6, they are good boys. The word they is underlined and the answer is personal. Number 7, I saw the boy who was playing. Now look, the word who is underlined and it will be relative pronoun. Number 8, they talk to each other. Each other is underlined and the answer is reciprocal pronoun. Number 9 is neither of the two boys is honest. The word neither is underlined and the answer is distributive. Number 10, one should do one's duty and the word one is underlined and the answer is indefinite pronoun. So this 10 exercise will be your homework. You will write the answer only. Okay, all of you will write the answer only. Pronoun exercise, you will write the answer only. So it will be your homework. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.